It only takes a little to be big. Meet Emily Elizabeth and her dog Clifford. Clifford is big. Clifford is red. But most of all, Clifford knows how to be a good friend.
Rainbow
Hey guys!
Today we are reading a Red Dog book.
Yeah, this book is called Clifford the Big Red Dog. And there are stickers inside. Wow. Let's start reading.
Can I see the stickers? Yes, stickers. And this
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stickers. Clifford the Big Red Dog. I'm Emily Elizabeth and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs. And some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. Wow. This is my dog, Clifford. We have fun together. We play games. Look at them having fun, right?
why he's giant.
Yeah, that's Clifford. Very big red dog. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. He brought the stick of the policeman, right? Look at him. And he brought a policeman with him. Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
Look at that. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford no matter where he hides. Do we know why?
Because he's enormous.
It's because he's enormous. Yes, he's giant. He cannot hide anywhere, right? He cannot hide anywhere. We play camping out. And I don't need a tent. That's right. Clifford can be a tent for her. Is that right?
Yeah.
He can do tricks too. He can sit up and back. Look, he's really giant. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. For example, he runs after cars. He catches some of them. Oh no! So he caught this blue car. It's a convertible one, right?
Yeah.
And before he brought a policeman, oh well, he's got some bad habits as everyone, right? He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. Oh my goodness, even a lion was frightened by him because Clifford is just too big. He digs up flowers. Look at that. He digs up flowers. And Clifford loves to chew shoes. That's a shoe repair store. And he just loves to chew shoes. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. Wow, how many cupcakes does he have? Can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, I think. Okay. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too. Look, his house is bigger than theirs. Can you imagine? Yeah. But he is a very good watchdog. Look, this this is a thief, isn't it? And this is a piggy bank. But he can see him, right? He's a really good watchdog, isn't he?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so too. And the mean boys don't come around anymore. See, there were some mean boys coming around. And look, Clifford just showed them. He showed them who is boss there, right? And they don't come around anymore. That's good, isn't it? One day I gave Clifford a bath. I think he's in a swimming pool, isn't he?
Yeah.
Isn't that funny? Yeah, he's got a big swimming pool as his bath. Yeah. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. Ooh, isn't that great? I'd like to say Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. He did not? Wow. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. Like those. I'll keep Clifford, wouldn't you? She likes him so much, right? Yeah, Clifford is her dog. And she doesn't want any other dog but him. That's great. Yeah. Perfect. We would like to thank you for watching. If you liked our Clifford the Big Red Dog video, please hit the like button. If you would like to watch some of our other videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.
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 Bye. Bye, guys. If you like this video, press the
Subscribe button.